Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the CldFlt service failed to start on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So that stands for the Windows Cloud Files Mini Filter Driver, which is a Windows system file located in the System32 drivers folder, and it's tied to the Microsoft OneDrive application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, and recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So now that that's out of the way, we're ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Same thing for current control set 001. And then you want to double-click on the services folder. Double-click on that. And there should be a CldFlt folder in here. So scroll down. And now on the right side, you want to locate a value in here that says start. Just go ahead and double-click on that. And you want to set the value data from the number 2 to 4. So delete the 2, type a numerical value of 4 in here, and then select OK. And then once that is done, let's go ahead and close out of the registry editor. And you want to restart your computer. And hopefully that resolved the issue. If you're still having the problem, something else we could try here would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and copy the first command in the description of my video. It's a DISM command. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Hit enter and give us a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that one has completed, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video. It's the system file checker utility, and then paste it into the command line window the same way you did the first one, and go ahead and run that. And once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart the computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.